Hello everybody, hope you are good. So in this video I will tell you how you can display your internet speed in your notification bar. So stay with this video. So I will teach you very easy method. So first I will go to Play Store, and here I will search internet speed meter, and here is the second one option. Second one application. First one is sponsored, so we will install it, and it's only 6.3 MB, so it will download immediately. So once download done, so I will teach you how you can set it. It will download it, so I will open it and give him permission that this application want. So I will allow notification. So now your internet speed bar has been enabled in your Samsung mobile phone. So I will show you. So here is, you can see. So I will search speed. So here we go, and you can see it in the bar section. The speed is showing 2.7 mbs. So in this way you can set your internet speed bar in your mobile phone. Thank you.